Hey, and welcome back to another episode of Willis Talk. This episode is filmed with the iPhone 6. I'm especially looking at the guest house, restaurant, family dining lounge. And something that they have here in a case. Yes, it is a huge case and it's got a truck in it. Yes, talk about your model cars in a truck. As you can see there, it is a Bronco 66, excuse me, half cab. Look at that beauty. That saves a lot on cleaning bills. Ah, look, looks like you even got the windows down on the inside there. They do. Short bed. That's shorter than a normal bed by the looks of it. And they even got a disco light up there. Check that out. I'm gonna go up on the porch so I can get a better look at it. Now this owner has the ability to have a nice glass case. Tow package. And this is thick glass. Check that out. There's my thumb against it. Right there. That's almost the thickness of my thumb. Let's see here. Do I have a finger that... A pinky finger. A pinky finger did it. That is pretty thick. I hope that you enjoyed this episode of Willis Talk. Until next episode, stay tuned.